that I really love being vegan. That was.
I love that you're vegan. I love that you're plant-based.
Animal Hero Kids over!
Welcome to Animal Hero Kidtober's activity today. I am so thrilled to welcome Chef Sheena, Shewins, all the way from Texas, and Isabella and Savannah, Animal Hero Kids, all the way from Connecticut.
Hi. Hola.
Hi. So Animal Hero Kidtober activity is to Animal Hero Kids interview a vegan chef. And what better vegan chef is there than one of the absolute wonderful winners of the Animal Hero Kids Vegan Mac and Cheese Challenge. Secret ingredient? What is it? What was the secret ingredient, Chef Sheena Shewins?
Well, if I told you, it wouldn't be a secret.
Okay. So I'm going to let Isabella and Savannah, Connecticut's Animal Hero Kids representatives, to take away the questioning. Take it away.
Should I go first? Yes. What did you go? Why did you go vegan?
Why did I go vegan? That is a very good question. So I did not go vegan for saving the animals or the planet at first. At first, it was just a journey that I was on to help better myself. And so I started to transition into a more healthier lifestyle. And I finally just made the leap and I went vegan, plant-based. And as I've been on this journey, it's been teaching me how to be more aware of the animals, aware of the planet. I've been able to meet Susan and all the Animal Hero Kids. So watching you guys on Facebook and do all of your wonderful projects, it has taught me to incorporate being an animal hero chef and be more in love and more in tune with the animals. So I have developed that fondness with animals now and the planet. Thanks to you guys for the inspiration.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Great answer. I also have another one.
Okay, keep them going.
What are some easy vegan school lunch ideas?
Vegan lunch ideas? Oh my goodness. Do we have an hour to talk or just a few minutes? Because I have so many. Are we talking about vegan lunch for kids?
Yes, vegan lunch for kids.
Okay. Perfect. So one of my favorite lunch ideas for kids, your size, your height, big, tall, small, chickpea tuna sandwiches. Totally love it. It's super easy, delicious, and fulfilling. Another one of my favorites is a beautiful pasta. I love pasta. So I put like spinach and tomatoes and bell peppers, probably some things I hope you guys eat. But it's a very simple, easy pasta with a lot of fruit. I love fruit, watermelon, apples, oranges, simple stuff.
Thank you very much. That sounds delicious.
It is.
So now I have a few questions for you.
Okay, go ahead.
Nice.
One of my questions is, what are some of your favorite vegan dishes?
You guys are asking some super hard questions. I was not prepared for this. That is so hard. Oh my gosh. One of my favorites. Okay. It has to be my truffle cream mac and cheese. This mac and cheese is it won the Animal Hero Kids mac and cheese contest. When I say it is creamy, it is delicious. I mean, you just melt when you eat it. It's so great. Truffle cream mac and cheese. And we have Kentucky Fried Jackfruit nuggets to die for. So Kentucky Fried Jackfruit nuggets and my award-winning truffle cream mac and cheese. Perfecto.
Wow, now I'm starving.
You're making my mouth water.
Yeah.
Mine too. Mine too.
Okay, so here's another question for you. Who
Okay.
are your vegan heroes?
Some of my vegan heroes. I would have to say Miss Susan and all of the Animal Hero Kids. To sit and watch you guys and see the magnificent changes that you all are making in this world, the messages that you're putting out, the dedication. You guys are you're young. I was never thinking about being vegan or being an animal hero kid or standing up for animal rights at your age. So I feel that you guys are the true heroes. Everybody should be looking up to you, because without you making this statement and pushing this message, a lot of us wouldn't know how important animals are to our planet, how important they are, and how we should have, true relationships with them, adopt animals, bring them into the home, save them. We wouldn't know that message. It wouldn't be so loud without Miss Susan and the Animal Hero Kids tribe. So you guys are my heroes.
That is so nice. Now
Thank you so much for saying that. I really love being vegan. That was.
I love that you're vegan. I love that you're plant-based.
So now we're almost out of time, but before we go, I want to make sure that everybody knows that the recipe for the Animal Hero Kids winning mac and cheese is in the Animal Hero Kids book. And who knows, I have a feeling that that Chef Sheena Shewins may have a way for you to join her vegan cooking classes. So maybe you can tell everybody how they can join you.
Yes, so this November the 13th from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m., I do an interactive online Zoom on this platform cooking class. And guess what? I just talked about pasta. We're actually going to be making a superb pasta. Super easy, super delicious. It's so simple. So I would love to see all the Animal Hero Kids. I would love to see everybody in my virtual kitchen cooking up an amazing meal on November 13th.
And what's the name, the best name for people to search you on Facebook? What's that best name?
Super easy, woke. It's the universal sound that you make whenever you're meditating. OHM, and woke. Woke meaning we are awake, we're conscious. We are conscious about what's going on in the world, just like you guys. You guys are woke Animal Hero Kids because you're very conscious. So kudos to you. So yeah, I'm woke, OHMWOKE is how you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, Google, anywhere.
Thank you very much. Animal Hero Kids, would you like to say anything to Chef Sheena Shewins before we go?
Good. Thank you, Chef Sheena.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you guys. It is such a pleasure to be here with you. You're great interviewers. Keep up the great work.
Thank you, Chef Sheena. She wins, and she does win.
And so do you, Miss Susan.
Bye, everybody.
See
Go to
ya.
Thank you so much.
org to join us for Animal Hero Kidtober. Bye. Oh, wait, before you go, I forgot one thing. I can't believe it. Veganza Animal Hero book. Yes, Veganza Animal Hero book that is a character rescuing animals and empowering youth. And she is not alone in doing this. She has an actual Courage the Mermaid. And I want to show you a picture of Courage the Mermaid before we go. And I'm thrilled that they're even selling this in Germany right now.
That book, the cover is phenomenal.
And here is
Yes, I love it. I love it.
Courage the Mermaid and Veganza Animal Hero.
Can we see that cover one more time?
Veganza. There's little Lovey right there. Lovey.
Oh, I need to have that book. How do I get the book? I want it.
You go to animalherokids.org and it has a little page there for Veganza.
Okay.
So thank you, everybody. So nice to see your lovely, smiling, kind faces. And bye for now.
See you later, Animal Hero Kids.
Bye. I'm Susan Hargreaves, the founder of Animal Hero Kids. We attack the problem of animal cruelty at the root. We foster empathy, which is the building block of kindness. Join us. Support us.